What's up, everyone? It is Trina Jacobson, the owner and creator behind Diamonds and Dust. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this American cowgirl tumbler. I'm using all products from my shop, and they are all 25% off through the end of today. So if you see anything you like or you need some extra glitter and goodies, go snag them while they're on sale. Today we're going to be using one of my past craft makers boxes. I know this is patriotic, but if you're like me, a patriotic tumbler you can carry around all year round. We ended up doing something for the 4th, so I didn't get my tutorial posted in time, but I'm going to show you what comes in the craft makers boxes. You get these two 12 by 12 vinyl sheets, a gel pen with a coordinating gel or pen topper. Look how cute that little cowboy hat was. A snow globe pen and 2 small scale vinyl sheets, which are perfect for your pens. You can also use them for smaller projects like pop sockets or keychains. You also get a keychain kit, which I don't have pictured in this video, but I'm going to have a tutorial for that soon. I'm going to take the cowboy hat vinyl and a 32 plump from Tipsy Magnolia. If you haven't tried Tipsy Magnolia, go ahead and give them a try. They are the best tumblers on the market. You can use code TRYNA10, T-R-Y-N-A 10 at checkout to save. And I'm going to cut out the classy template. There's plenty of ways to apply your template. Sometimes I make a vertical line going up the side of the tumbler and I just follow the line. Today, I'm just gonna take the backing and fold back about 1/2 inch, fold it back, tacking it back to the vinyl, and then I'm just gonna place this on my tumbler and line up the top and bottom. When I have it all lined up, I'm just gonna hold the one side really taut, take the other side and the place that I've already folded back, I'm gonna fold that back again and just tack down that 1/2 inch. I'm just going to take my vinyl squeegee and press it firmly right there in that crease, going back and forth, ensuring that I have no bubbles or wrinkles in my template. This template has stripes going around, so I am going to remove every other stripe. These are the 3 glitters that came in this box. This is America. All of these items are available for purchase separately on my site. Then we have Patriot, which is a really deep, gorgeous red. And then we also have Liberty. If you guys want more information on my boxes, go ahead and join my free Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. There will be a link for you down in the description. I always give everybody a heads up there first when they go on sale. We're going to start by base coating those stripes with white. Once they are dry, we're going to go back with your favorite glitter glue, apply a layer of glitter glue, and apply the glitter color America. It is so cute. It's white with little red and blue stars. If you guys like the products I'm using in this video, I have a ton more that are amazing. You don't need to be paying those high dollar prices for those quality products. I offer them for less, and my entire shop is 25% off now through the end of today. So go grab them while they're on sale. Once all of your white glitter is applied, we're gonna go back and take the other stripes off. We're gonna base paint those red, and we're gonna take that gorgeous deep red glitter called Patriot, and we're gonna apply it to those stripes. We're going to take that kind of wavy V-split section off in the middle, and we're gonna base paint that with blue. Once again, I'm gonna let this dry and then go over it with my favorite glitter glue. I use Tumbler Poxy's Poxy Seal. If you haven't tried it before, it's amazing. You can use code TRYNA15 at checkout to save, TRYNA 15. And then we are going to apply the glitter color Liberty. I'm also going to go around the bottom rim with some blue paint and apply Liberty glitter as well. I thought it'd be really cute with the contrast against the stripes. You are going to seal those glitters with your preferred way, let it dry completely, and add a layer or two of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. It will depend on your thickness of epoxy that you use on how smooth your tumbler is. I prefer a thinner epoxy. I use Swift Epoxy from Tumbler Epoxy, just because they're, honestly, I'm just gonna be honest, thinner epoxies are just better. They give you a better result. They have better bubble release than all of the thick ones. I know you're thinking, I like a thick coat because it covers in one and I don't need 2 layers. Correct, but I promise it's trapping those bubbles. So all of my tumblers are so clear because I use a thinner epoxy, and I'm cool with 2 layers because it gives my tumbler a prettier result. Now that my tumbler is all smooth and cured, I cut out a bunch of little stars, and I'm just gonna place them right in that kind of wavy V section on the blue glitter. Template does come with the offset lines. You can try to apply it all in one swoop, but I promise it is such a pain in the ass. So what I like to do is I just like to take my razor blade and cut off each section separately. Now you have a little bit more control of where that line is placed. Now I'm just going to take off each line separately and apply it to my tumbler. I'm going to take one of the decals I designed. This one says American Cowgirl. If you guys like one-of-a-kind SVGs for your tumblers or t-shirts or tote bags or whatever you make, you need to join my mentorship group. I give enough files that equals way more than the cost of the group, and the group also includes weekly exclusive lives, exclusive discounts, and I also do exclusive pre-recorded videos that you can go back to watch at any time. If you're interested in joining, there is a link for you down in the description as well. Once your decal is applied, go ahead and add your final layers of epoxy. And here is your American Cowgirl tumbler all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check the links below for all discounts and products used.